Here I have Vivo V20, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, then go to the phone ringtone, and here you can see all of your pre-installed ringtones. You can also add your own custom ringtone if you select the file, MP3 file from your device. As you can see, I have no custom ringtones on my device, so I'll just have to select one of these pre-installed. So let's listen to some of them. This one slaps for real. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.